Today's lesson is Chapter 12, Lesson 9 on pages 955 through 960. Our objective is I can calculate the area of prisms. Vocabulary volume. Question 1. The formula for finding volume is blank times blank times blank. Question 2. The volume of a prism that is 6 by 4 by 4 is blank.
Evelyn wants to mail a package of cookies to her cousin. How much space does the package have if it is 6 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 4 inches tall? In order to find the space inside the package, we need to find its volume. Let's use models to find the volume of the package. Let's start by placing 1-inch cubes in the bottom of the rectangular prism. 6 cubes will fit across the front or length of the box. 4 rows are needed to fill the entire bottom layer of the box. The prism is 6 cubes long and 4 cubes wide. There are 24 cubes on the bottom. The package is 4 inches high, so it would take 4 layers to fill the box. 4 times 24 equals 96. So the volume of the package is 96 cubic inches. Evelyn's box has 96 cubic inches of space for cookies.
All right, on page 955, it tells you how to find the volume, which we've been doing for a while. So you can use this formula to find the volume of a prism as well. So a 3D figure, and it tells you the amount of space. So it's length times width times height. And the volume here is base times height, which base is the same as length times width, so it's really the same thing. So the area of the base would be the length times the width. So then you could do base times height. Page 956 has an important reminder up here that the associative property means that the way you group it doesn't change the product when you're multiplying. So that's what they're talking about with base and length times width or length times height, whichever order you do it in, and the grouping that you do is not going to change it. So in this case, finding the volume of this, we're going to do the length, which is 17, the width, which is 7, and the height, which is 9 here. So 17 times 7 times 9. So remember, the grouping doesn't matter. It won't change the product, so you could do 17 times 7 times 9, because it might be a little easier to do 7 times 9 first. So when you do 7 times 9, you get 63, and then we will have 63 times 17, which if you work out, you will get 1,071. So remember, the volume is 1,071 centimeters cubed, because we multiplied 3 things. So it's to the 3rd power. All right, and just to show you one more example using base times height in this number 2 right here. So we would do, if we were doing length times width times height to find the volume, we would do 4 times 6 times 12. But if we are doing the base times the height, we can find the length times the width first, which gives us the base. So 6 times 4 is the base, because it's that bottom area, right? Times the height, so 24 times 12. So really the same thing, just a different way of saying it. So we get 288 feet cubed. All right, look back at these 2 questions and answer them in the form, please.